One tiny mistake made on planting day can turn your garlic into weak, tiny bulbs or kill it before it even grows. Many gardeners do everything right, yet still end up disappointed at harvest. The scary part is that most garlic failures happen before the plant even breaks the soil. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know the exact mistakes that silently destroy garlic harvests and how to avoid them completely. Garlic is one of the easiest crops to grow when planted correctly, but because it looks simple, many people underestimate it, and that's where things go wrong. Today, I'll walk you through the most common garlic planting mistakes that beginners and even experienced gardeners make, and how to fix them so you can grow big, healthy, flavorful garlic bulbs. Let's get started. 1. Planting the wrong garlic type. Not all garlic is the same. There are two main types of garlic. That is the hardneck garlic, which is best for cold climates and stronger flavor. And then there is the softneck garlic, which is best for warm climates and longer shelf life. If you plant hardneck garlic in a very hot region, it may fail to form bulbs. If you plant softneck garlic in extreme cold, growth can be poor. Choose garlic that matches your local climate. This one decision alone can double your harvest. 2. Planting at the wrong time. Timing is everything with garlic. Garlic needs cool weather to develop roots and cold exposure to form bulbs. Planting too early means weak roots. Planting too early can cause excessive leaf growth before winter. Best time to plant in most regions: late fall, about 2 to 4 weeks before the ground freezes. This allows garlic to establish roots without wasting energy. 3. Using store-bought garlic. This is one of the most common and most damaging mistakes. Planting garlic from the grocery store is a big mistake. This is because store-bought garlic is often treated to prevent sprouting, not adapted to your local soil, and carrying diseases. It may sprout, but the harvest will be weak or fail completely. Buy seed garlic from a trusted nursery or local farmer. Seed garlic is disease-free and bred for strong growth. 4. Planting cloves upside down. Yes, this really matters. Garlic grows from the pointed end, not the flat end. Planting upside down forces the sprout to twist, wasting energy. This results in small, misshapen bulbs. The correct method would be planted tip facing up and flat root end facing down. Simple but extremely important. 5. Planting too shallow or too deep. Garlic hates extremes. Too shallow lead to cloves drying out or get damaged by cold, while too deep leads to weak growth and delayed development. The ideal depth will be about 2 inches deep and cover fully with soil. This protects the cloves while allowing easy sprouting. 6. Poor soil preparation. Garlic lives in the soil for months. Bad soil means bad garlic. The mistake here is planting garlic in compacted, dry, or nutrient-poor soil. Garlic needs loose soil, good drainage, and rich nutrients. Heavy clay soil causes rot, while poor nutrients means small bulbs. Before planting, mix in compost or well-rotted manure and organic matter for drainage. Healthy soil equals bigger garlic. 7. Overwatering or underwatering. Watering mistakes can silently destroy garlic. Too much water equals rot, while too little water equals stunted growth. Garlic likes consistent moisture, not soggy soil. Water lightly after planting. Keep soil moist, not wet, and reduce watering as harvest time approaches. Balance is key. 8. Forgetting mulch. Skipping mulch is a hidden mistake many gardeners regret. Without mulch, soil dries out faster, cold damages cloves, and weeds compete for nutrients. Add a thick layer of mulch like straws, dry leaves, or grass clippings. Mulch protects, insulates, and boosts growth. 9. Ignoring spacing. Crowded garlic equals tiny bulbs. Garlic needs space to grow underground. Crowding causes competition, and as a result, bulbs stay small. Prepare spacing, that is 4 to 6 inches between cloves and 8 to 12 inches between rows. Give garlic room, it will reward you. 10. Harvesting too early or too late. Even perfect garlic can be ruined at harvest. Harvesting too early equals underdeveloped bulbs, while harvesting too late leads to bulbs split open and spoil faster. Best harvest sign is when lower leaves turn brown and top leaves are still green. Timing matters as much as planting. Garlic doesn't fail because it's difficult. It fails because of small mistakes that are easy to avoid once you know them. By avoiding these common errors, you'll grow bigger bulbs, stronger flavor, and longer storage life. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and share it with another gardener who might be making the same mistakes without knowing it. And remember, great garlic starts with smart planting. Thanks for watching. Bye.